Yeah, I'd say this fan's from the mid-90s to late 90s, so yeah. Here's the controller. So, here. Here's a bracket. There's this mount here. Here's the canopy. Top. And this is the lower canopy. Here's the downward. Here's the warranty and the instructions. You can see. And here's the motor. Here. Pretty cool. And yeah. It is, as you can see. And you can see this model is AC1148-AW. And yeah. Okay, and now for the last part, we hang the blades. As you can see, and open them. And here are the blades, as you can see. So yeah, it's the end of this unboxing video. Thanks for watching.